how to tag photos in Instagram. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. The first step is you need to open up your Instagram application on your device. After that, you have to log into your account. So for tagging someone on your photos, you have to create a post. For creating a post, you can tap on the plus option in the center of the lower section, and from over here you have to select a photo that you want to share. After selecting the photo, simply go for arrow option in the right upper section, and here you can either edit the photos. If you are done, then you can go for arrow option in the right upper section, and after that you have to write a caption. In order to tag people, you have to go for tag people option, and after that you have to toss the photo, and you'll be able to see who is this popped up sign where you have to enter the username of the person to whom you want to tag. And after doing that, you can see the username of the tag person is available over here. Once you are done, you can tap on tick option in the right upper section, and you can see this person has been tagged on this post. After that, you can go for this arrow option and post this photo, and by following this simple step you can tag photos in Instagram. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.